Milk and cereal. Cereal and milk. Milk and cereal. Milk and cereal. Milk and cereal. Cereal and milk. Cereal and milk. Cereal and milk.
Wolf titties. Wolf titties. How?
Whoop, 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 whoop. Little bitch. Serial killer, you a serial fiend. I'm super serial, that I got what you need. Them honey grams, that special K, got a bunch of O's and frosted flakes. I bag them up, serve them raw, move them cross that interstate. I got a bad bitch, she love tricks, do anything to get a fix. And shit out of milk, she'll crush a bit, line it up and snort that shit. Kappa B, leaning off that milk mixed with syrup. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, somebody say murder. Your girl talking, claiming she's the baddest. Eat and go lean like that bitch has got status, but we know
Grams will make her dance. Grams will make her dance.
her cheeks smack it, and they ain't using heads. I gotta have it, 8 Bulls gotta have it. Pack fat with a placement, cause I'ma go ratchet. Refrigerator be the trap, then I'm back for a fill up. I put you in a bag, then a box, I'm a serial killer.
Yeah, I am on a 24-hour Kellogg's diet. Cereal for dinner, I encourage you to try it. 24-hour Kellogg's diet. Cereal for dinner, I encourage you to try it.
Serial killer, serial killer. Chocolate, strawberry, cinnamon, and vanilla. Serial killer, serial killer. Bitches, different flavors, I'm a serial killer.
Killing balls of honey smacks, what I'm doing, count money stacks. Run her fingers through my mullet, all the bitches loving that. Wolf tits, groupies sipping wolf tits smoothies. Baby girl, it's J.O.P., we should make a movie. Pistol to your dome, hold that chrome to your Applejack. You too slim, hit the gym, Shotty said I'm Applejack. J.O.P. and cap and crack, bringing classic breakfast back. Call me Tony the Tiger, you know I'm making tiger racks. I'm a serial killer, I'm a Michael Jackson thriller. Got a bad wolf hoe, mix of chocolate and vanilla. That's wolf milk from a wolf milk, that's super protein from my wolf bill. Crushed Cocoa Puffs, that's my protein powder. Wolf tits, now say it louder. Wolf tits on your bitch, that song ain't got her super wet. I don't keep it 100, you know I keep it 2%. Yo, this girl said, Jake, I seen your first video. I told her, shut up, drink and pour me some more Cheerio, bitch.
Yeah, Captain Crunch, put some berries in my cereal. Here we go, honey nut, chocolate, the Cheerio. Corn pops, corn flakes, mini wheats in a bowl. Get your bitch under control. I don't share my shit with nobody. Used to have 4 friends, now I got full bodies. For trying to touch my honey smacks, honey gomes, honey grams. Got some low fat granola just for my chubby dad. Literally, this shit is my lucky charm. Got a Fruit Loop chain and a bracelet on my arm. Don't be alarmed by all of my frosted flakes. And if tricks are for kids, then I must be 8. Wait, what if I've been digging in my Cocoa Puffs? I go nuts over that and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. With this song, I'ma lose 80 fans and drown my sorrows in a bowl of Raisin Bran. I'm eating Wheaties and eating beets. I need a freak named Special K who got a name on her cheek. She eating Fruity Pebbles, making Rice Krispie treats. She tastes sweet from all of the cereal she eats. J.O.P. what up? It's that Captain Crack. Don't that sound like a cereal? Perhaps. I met this girl and I knew we was a match. Cause chest fell out her ass when I hit it from the back.
Serial killer, serial killer. Chocolate, strawberry, cinnamon,